started conceptualizing. Then we got the name Barako, and then from there, binuo namin yung concept. So we wanted it to be like tambayan. We wanted it to be a place for authentic Filipino cuisine, where Filipino could gather, have fun, music. Because I know na matagal bago makauwi yung ibang Pilipino eh. So at least when we welcome them sa Barako, they would feel na para ka lang nasa Pilipinas. You know?
At home
ka, we have the Filipino hospitality, the Filipino food, authentic Filipino food, na maaalala mo, you know, this is how my grandma cooks for me, my mother, my father. So at least we care for that OFW's emotion.
Mukhang galing pa sa ibang bansa. Pupunta dito.
Qatar, meron. Then lahat po ng Emirates kasi Abu Dhabi, talagang Fujairah, talagang marinig po namin, galing pa kami dito, talagang pinuntahan namin yung Barako para mag-stay, para kumain. Parang meron silang sinasabi na ang Barako Grill, it's our home away from home. Yun po talaga ang pinaka-tagline. At the same time, naging paboritong tambayan po siya ng mga Pilipino. Then kami naman po, we're happy enough, talagang binibigay po namin the best thing na talagang pagsubok nga po, katulad po lang sabi ni Ma'am, ito yung sinasabi na, ito yung nabibili ko sa kanto eh. Ang sarap, maragay. Ito yung luto ni ate, ito yung luto ni auntie. Eh kami, on that part po, parang happy na kami. Kasi nabigay namin yung gusto naming vibe at feel sa mga taong kumakain.
Tingnan ko rin yung Filipino community, like I mentioned, yung ang gumawa ko ng interior namin is Filipino, si Roland ng I forgot siya, yung A company na yun. And then, siya yung nag-connect sa amin sa mga graphic artists, which Filipino rin, sila King.
Bonds.
Yes po, sila Bonds, na gumawa ng Jingo.
So to a certain extent, basically, parang members of the Filipino community rin ang tinap ninyo to build this.
Yes.
So para yung experience din is talagang Pinoy na Pinoy.
Very
Kayo.
Pinoy.
Even though you're in UAE.
Yes. We are so blessed as Filipinos.
Yes.
We're so talented, we're so creative, we're so passionate. We have all the qualities and the characteristics to make it big, to be
Yes.
successful. But it takes a community. It takes your family, your friends, and your community to support you, to help you succeed. So number one talaga, I think, is build your network. Be a good person. Have those friends. Keep your family.